Hello, happy flowers. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make flower arrangement in tall vases without using Kenzan. We need a tall vase for this. We also need a flexible aluminium wire. Fill your vase with water almost up to the rim. This is a special aluminium wire which is very flexible and is used in flower arrangements. It is available in craft stores and flower arrangement supply stores, and it is very flexible. You can bend it in any way. I will show you how to fix it in a container. This is how it looks, and it can hold the flowers in any angle when you insert. Now let's make a small arrangement using this technique. I'll be making this arrangement in ikebana style. The height of my arrangement is twice the height of my container, so measure your leaves and cut accordingly. Shim, the main line is fixed now. For my second line, the sew, I'm using these stems which I got from IKEA. I want to bring some color to the arrangement, so I am adding these accessories. A very simple arrangement with a very few flowers is ready to display now. These are some of the tall vase arrangements which are arranged using this technique. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Enjoy making beautiful flower arrangements.